Today we're going to do a quick review of the midpoint formula. This should not be a new formula to you, but I want to review it because it will become very important to us throughout the year. So as we know, the midpoint of a segment is the point that is equidistant from both endpoints. So we know that my segments on either side of that midpoint there are going to be congruent. What we're looking for now, though, is if we had a segment graphed on the coordinate plane, what is the coordinate of the midpoint? Okay, and your formula is here in the middle. Okay, it's really just the averages of the x's and the average of the y's. So we're finding the average of the horizontal length and we're finding the average of the vertical height, really. Okay, so our formula says we're going to take x sub 1 plus x sub 2 divided by 2. That will give us our x coordinate. The y coordinate is found by taking the first y plus the second y and divided by 2. That'll give us our y coordinate. All right, so I have an example down here. It says segment EF has endpoints -3, 2, and 5, 10. So what's the coordinate of its midpoint? All right, so remember we're going to add our x's together. So I have -3 plus 5. That's divided by 2. Now I'm going to do it for my y coordinates. I have 2 plus 10 divided by 2. All right, so I end up with 2 over 2 and 12 over 2. When I simplify that, my midpoint becomes 1, 6. So the midpoint is at 1, 6.